Hello traders, welcome to Pips Trader YouTube channel. Before going forward, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you'll get notifications on future video updates. Today we are going to do weekly analysis for British pound and US dollar. I'm on a weekly chart in British pound US dollar. Here in the weekly chart you can notice British pound US dollar has formed a very nice downtrend. Higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then we have noticed that it has broken the trend. Downtrend has been broken, but it has not gone so far. It is staying within the range. When we see the resistance in this range, previous resistance has been at this range. Here also it is tried to come down, but it has retested. Again it has gone down. Again tested this resistance here. Again come down. Again it is testing the resistance here. Then the support for this is being at this range. So when you see overall the trend has completed, but actually staying within the resistance, the trading range, support and resistance range. Let's go on the daily chart. So I'm on the daily chart now. So you can see it has made a very nice uptrend movement. Then from here again downtrend has started. So it didn't have enough power to break this resistance here and trying to retrace here. So if this trend continues, we're expecting the downtrend to continue up to here, and then again this support is going to act as a resistance and support. So we may see another bounce back or breakthrough to this support. It is within the support and resistance, and overall when we see it, it is on a downtrend. British pound and US dollar overall trend is actually downtrend. It has shown an effort to break this triangle pattern. It doesn't have enough strength to break this resistance here, previous resistance here. There it is still within the support and resistance range. So I'm thinking the downtrend will still continue because it has tried to break several times at this resistance and it couldn't hold it. The downtrend to be continued. Let's do the analysis for trading range for next week. So here I'm taking Fibonacci's. I'm putting it. So you can see it is stopping, it is holding at 0.786 Fibonacci's retracement level. So this is going to be the first support. The next support is going to be at this point, where commonly here also you have noticed it is tried to break this level, So this is also strong support. Next is going to be the bottom level. So if it breaks this level, we can see the downfall from this level. Let me mark the ranges. This is going to be the resistance. 1.42798 is going to be the resistance. The next support is going to be here. Now it is at the support point 1.37179. The next downtrend target will be at this point 1.32533. It's going to be the another support. Next support on the downside is going to be here 1.21943. That is going to be the next support. The target levels for upside will be, this will be the next target 1.53928. Next upside target will be 1.58575. But overall the trend is on downside, so we can see further fall from this level, present level. If the downtrend continues, this range, this target will be the next target for us. This will be the range. If it breaks this support, next target is going to be 1.02060. That is going to be our next target. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.